That's 55 Nassau in Osborne Village in the far distance, the Misericordia Hospital on the left with the cross on top. I came down from the Maryland Bridge to walk west. There's lots of vacant land along the south side. A few others on the trail today. It's fun to look at riverside property. Some folks really put on a big display. Others just crawl away and hide. I wonder what he's drilling for. Ice fishing? Where are the kids playing hockey? So many rinks and fire pits just waiting.
How you doing?
Good.
I can see the St. James bridges now. And this must be the mouth of Woman's Creek.